while I lock it down like I'm supposed to.
The door's open towards you.
All right, Terrence, come on in, you guys. At this time, please stand up. No pattern, only Terrence, no pattern floor, only at this time.
Here we go. Everything.
Hey, Rocket. Hey, Rocket. Hey, Rocket. What are you looking for?
Find you, idiot. Ha ha! Gotcha.
Hey, Rocket.
Oh! What are you guys still doing here? Tour's over.
Hey, what?
The cages are open and the creatures are loose. You gotta get out of here.
You gotta get out of here.
Wait.
What?
Don't get out of here.
I'm scared.
I could use a hand. My little pal Brute is lost in a fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found this tiny little heat signature, see? All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm Terrence makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in?
Yes,
It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift.
All right, Terrence, proceed. All right, back row, hold arms up so I can see your seatbelts. And tug on the old tap to the right hand side. Tug on the old tap to the right hand side. All right, middle row, both arms up. Oh wait, we're still up together. Okay, both arms up so I can see the seatbelts. Goes up. Both hands. And tug on the old tap to the right. Just make sure you take off your backpack and put your feet, okay? Go ahead and tug on the old tap to the right. It's gotta be your feet because you can't gotta be back against the seat. Alright, bottom row, both arms up so I can see your seatbelts, please.
What?
And tug on the old tap to the right. Tug on the old tap to the right. Tug on the old tap. Tug on the old tap. Backpack's gotta be your feet. Alright, stay clear of the sliding gate right here.
It's pretty.
There we go. Alright, Terrence, couple things. Hold on to all of your loose belongings. You know, don't feed the creatures your purses, your backpacks, your loved ones. Don't do any of that. It's a lot of paperwork for me to have to fill out later.
I'm doing it.
Remember, if you see a scary creature, scream real loud and look delicious.
Yeah.
Distract them already. Wave your arms. You. Lost the monster.
No.
See? I knew my plan would work. Spit that out. It's not good.
Closer, while I lock it down like I'm supposed to.